Affiliate marketing in 2026 isn't what it was 5 years ago. The industry is worth over $15 billion globally, and it's still growing. But here's what's changed: you don't need a massive following anymore. You need the right strategy and the willingness to provide genuine value to an audience. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 concrete methods to start earning as an affiliate marketer, even if you're starting completely from scratch. And the third method? That's the one that separates casual earners from those building real, sustainable income. Let's get into it. Most people approach affiliate marketing the hard way. They try to build an audience first, then figure out what to promote. Here's what actually works: you start with what you already know. A college student studying for the LSAT could review prep books and add affiliate links to her blog. A weekend cyclist could document gear upgrades on social media and link to the equipment she uses. The audience already exists for these topics. You're just positioning yourself as a trusted voice within it. Let's look at how this plays out in practice. Lisa, a graphic designer in Portland, started a YouTube channel in early 2024. She had 400 subscribers, mostly other designers who'd found her through a few software tutorials. She wasn't trying to monetize at first. She just shared what she was learning. Then she started incorporating affiliate links in her video descriptions, software she actually used, design books she'd recommend. Within 8 months, that channel was generating over $1,500 per month in affiliate commissions. 400 subscribers. That was her starting point. Here's why this works so well. When you promote products you genuinely use and understand, your recommendations feel authentic. Your audience can tell the difference between someone shilling whatever pays the most and someone sharing tools that actually help them. That trust converts into clicks and purchases. It's why micro-influencers, people with smaller but highly engaged audiences, often have better conversion rates than major influencers with millions of followers. If you already use products in your daily life, you're halfway there. You just need to start documenting that knowledge and sharing it where your people already gather. Now, here's where most people stop. They create a few pieces of content, add some links, and wait for the money to roll in. But the affiliates pulling in serious income, the 5-figure monthly earners, they approach it differently. They think in systems, not individual pieces of content. And the first system they build is what I call the value ladder. You start by creating something genuinely useful for free: a guide, a template, a comparison tool. It attracts people interested in your niche. Then, as you build trust through your free content, you naturally introduce products you recommend. The free value earns attention. The affiliate products earn commissions. Let me give you a real example of this in action. David, a personal finance blogger in Austin, created a free budgeting spreadsheet in 2023. It was nothing fancy, just a Google sheet with categories for income, expenses, and savings goals. He put it behind an email sign-up form on his website. Visitors downloaded the spreadsheet, got added to his email list, and started receiving his weekly emails. Those emails contained honest reviews of budgeting apps, investment platforms, and financial books. Each recommendation included his affiliate links. By the end of 2023, that single spreadsheet and the email list it generated was producing over $3,000 per month in affiliate income. One free resource, one email list, compounding over time. The spreadsheet was the entry point. The relationship was the asset. And this is the shift that changes everything. You're not just creating content. You're building an audience you can serve repeatedly over months and years. One piece of great content can introduce you to products worth promoting. Your email list lets you promote those products for years, as trust builds and your recommendations become more valuable. That's the compounding effect most affiliates never tap into. They're chasing new content constantly, trying to replace traffic that's faded. The smart ones build systems that bring the same audience back over and over. If this is clicking for you, go ahead and subscribe. I post videos like this every week, and the next method is the one I'm most excited to share. You won't want to miss it. Okay, here's the method that most affiliate marketing guides completely ignore. It's the strategy behind the highest performing affiliate marketers in 2026. And it comes down to one word: selectivity. Most beginners join every affiliate program they can find. Amazon Associates, dozens of software affiliates, maybe a few course commissions. They stuff links everywhere and hope something sticks. The top earners do the opposite. They pick a small number of products, usually 3 to 5, and become the definitive resource for those specific products. They write comprehensive guides. They create comparison pages. They record video tutorials. Everything points to those same 3 to 5 products. Think about what this means for your audience. If someone is researching best project management software, they might land on dozens of generic lists. But if you have the definitive guide, 2,300 words of detailed comparisons, real usage screenshots, pricing breakdowns, and honest pros and cons, that page becomes the resource people bookmark. It becomes the page that ranks, the page that gets shared, the page that keeps generating traffic years later. and every affiliate link on that page points to products you've thoroughly tested and genuinely recommend. That depth is what transforms you from person with a blog to trusted authority, and trusted authorities earn significantly more per click. There's data to back this up. Affiliates who focus on fewer than 5 products earn an average of 2.3 times more per click than those promoting many products. The reason is simple. When you dedicate your energy to mastering a few offerings, your recommendations become genuinely valuable. You understand the nuances. You can answer specific questions. You can speak to real use cases your audience faces. That expertise translates directly into higher conversion rates and more income per visitor. Here's your action plan for getting started. First, pick one niche where you have genuine interest or experience. It doesn't need to be narrow, but it needs to be something you can talk about for months without running out of substance. Second, identify 3 to 5 affiliate products in that space worth promoting. Look for products with recurring commissions, solid conversion rates, and that genuinely solve problems for your audience. Third, create one comprehensive resource for each product: a detailed review, a comparison guide, or a practical tutorial. This doesn't require perfection. It requires depth and honesty. Your readers will notice the difference. Start small, but start now. Your first affiliate link costs nothing to create and could be live today. The income potential compounds as you learn what resonates with your audience and refine your approach. Many full-time affiliate marketers began with a single honest review. That's where you're headed if you build with intention. I'll see you in the next one.